So sometimes when you're intermittent fasting, especially on alternate day fasting, a protocol that'll have you fasting for around 36 hours, will experience fasting insomnia, a period where it's just hard to get to sleep at night. This may or may not happen to you, but if it does happen to you, here are 6 ways to fight fasting insomnia. Hey everyone, Colleen here. Welcome back for another video. I lost over 60 pounds alternate day fasting, and I'm here to help, encourage, motivate, and inspire you to do the same. Finally shed the weight. So if you're interested in how I was able to burn fat fast, correct a lot of emotional ties to eating, and increase self-awareness through journaling and other healthy mental activities, feel free to subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the like button so YouTube knows you enjoyed this content. When we're fasting, we end up having a lot of energy, a lot of mental clarity, and that is a beauty actually of fasting. I find myself the most productive while fasting. I'm able to get a lot of things done, have a lot of energy, and knock things out. But when it comes to winding down at the end of the day, it's hard. All that energy is still there, and I need to find a way to use it and lose it. Fasting insomnia is actually a response, a innate caveman response from back in our ancestral days when we were hunter-gatherers. When we were in starvation mode, we would be up in order to hunt food. We had to be alert in order to catch food. And the time that our bodies were calm was when food was in possession. We're able to obtain food. So this insomnia is just your body's response to being in starvation mode. So here's my number 1 suggestion for beating fasting insomnia. Exercise. Exercise is a great way to use up stored energy and a great way to just exhaust yourself at night. I find that when I'm able to get in at least 30 minutes of exercise, I hit the pillow like a sack of potatoes. Like, it's no joke. So if you find yourself unable to get solid quality sleep, please do incorporate exercise. Just increase your movement. As humans, we should be moving more anyway. It's best for us. We are designed to be moving. We are not designed to be sedentary. I highly suggest any kind of cardiovascular activity, and something that'll just, wear you out a little bit. To work up a sweat is a good way to know that you're getting the most out of your exercise. So please do exercise, especially on your fast days. Number 2, maybe it might be your mattress. It could be something so large that is causing your issues. Sometimes we have poor pillows, sometimes we have poor mattresses that are just not helping us get the best night's sleep. And for this, I like to introduce you to today's sponsor, Birch. I just started an overnight job where I have to wake up as early as 1:30 a.m. So getting quality sleep is essential in order for me to perform at my best. Plus, moving into a new apartment, I knew I needed a new mattress. In steps Birch Living, the sponsor of this video. Birch is a premium mattress in a box company that takes comfort, luxury, and sustainability to the next level. Birch mattresses are responsibly crafted and sourced using sustainable organic cashmere, cotton, and 100% natural latex. The combination of these natural materials helps me easily drift off to sleep for some of the best sleep of my life. The Birch Luxe mattress, which I have, takes the original Birch mattress to the next level. It's specially created with breathability, cooling, and support in mind, offering increased airflow, meaning that if you're a hot sleeper, this mattress keeps you cool and comfortable while sleeping. The mattress comes conveniently rolled and is delivered right to your doorstep. Just open the plastic and the mattress comes to life. Unlike synthetic mattresses, the wool in Birch's beds makes it hypoallergenic and mildew resistant, which is comforting to know, seeing as I have 2 little ones that may have nighttime accidents here and there, so I don't worry too much about wetness being an issue. Birch also has pillows. These are their Eco Rest pillow set. This came in hand because my old pillows were so deflated. These pillows are made of supportive, eco-friendly organic cotton that are fluffy and comfy, and they come with your mattress order. I've had my Birch mattress for almost 3 months now and can genuinely remark on how much faster and deeper my sleep is. What we sleep on is truly an overlooked aspect of solving sleep issues. Better sleep helps with my anxiety, overeating, and my attitude, let's be honest. I think it's time that we think about self-care in a way that really helps our overall wellness. With the purchase of your Birch mattress, you get a 100-night sleep trial along with a 25-year warranty. So if there's any change of your mind whatsoever, Birch has your back and front and sides. So you get more than 3 months to make sure that you love it. If you don't, they'll pick it up for you and you'll get a full refund. The best part about all of this is that Birch delivers your mattress right to your door for free within the US. It comes rolled up in a box and is super easy to set up yourself. Scroll down and click the link in the description box for $400 off your mattress, plus 2 free pillows. I'm loving my Birch Luxe mattress, and I think you would too. If you're looking for a new bed, check out Birch. I've had Birch going on 5 months now, and I sleep like a log. And I work an overnight job, so when it's time to sleep, I needs to sleep. Falling asleep beautifully on Birch mattress has been a joy. If you're interested in Birch, go ahead and check the link down below. I highly recommend their quality premium mattress to get the best sleep that you've ever had. Number 3, avoid large meals at night. Large meals require a lot of digestion, especially at night. You don't got that kind of time. You're not working it off, you're not walking it off. It's just sitting there processing, and that energy that your body needs to digest, it's going to keep you up longer. So you want to keep your meals light, preferably salads, something that's easily digestible and nothing too heavy. Only you can determine what is heavy and light to you. But if you feel slogged down, if you feel like you have the itis afterward, it is a heavy meal. If you feel light, bountiful, but yet content, that's a good quality light meal to have at nighttime. Or make sure that you are eating a bit earlier so you have more than enough time, ideally at least 3 hours, to digest your meal before you hit the pillow. This can make the difference between getting good night's sleep or being up until 2 a.m. Number 4, you want to remove caffeine. And if you're a caffeine head, meaning you need it to function, make sure that your only cup is in the morning and not afternoon. So cap your last cup of coffee at noon. But if you're really concerned about lack of sleep and having nighttime insomnia, I would suggest taking a break from caffeine. That doesn't mean you have to give up coffee. Feel free to try decaf or caffeine-free teas. Anything that will keep you wired is going to hinder your sleep. So you want to be aware of that. And that includes Coca-Cola, that includes black tea, and that includes frappuccinos. They're delicious, but they do have caffeine. So beware of sneaky caffeine as well. And try to have that early if you need caffeine in your life. Another great slow release caffeine would be matcha. Matchas are great, but once again, have that before noon. Cap your caffeine at noontime. Number 5, create a nighttime routine. This is a nightly habitual routine, a practice that you create, however your lifestyle is, that will wind you down for bed. So what your nighttime routine could look like. Here's an example. Say you come in from work, you have your dinner nice and early as to not have a late night meal. You hit the shower, have a nice self-care night. You'll watch a couple shows, enjoy your loved ones, start doing your routine of brushing your teeth, washing your face, winding down, putting the kids to bed. And instead of having your phone, wind down with a book, because blue light does hinder sleep. No matter what. We are addicted to our phones, especially at night. Lately, I've been doing my best to just enjoy a book, and it does wind me down beautifully and peacefully. So start creating a nighttime routine. And it's hard in this modern day and time to have stable routines, but if you can do so, it will help train your body to know that, okay, this is happening, and that means it's time to start winding down. These are the things that we do with children. It works for adults too. Put on their PJs, brush their teeth, put them to bed. They expect these things. You can do the same for yourself. You're not too old to create nighttime bed routines. And while we're on that, take time in the shower to just really release the day's tension. I love long showers, but be environmentally conscious. But a good 10-minute shower in warm water with your favorite body products is just such a treat. It really is, and it's a way to love on yourself. Showers are the best time to be present because you really, you don't have anything else distracting you other than your thoughts and what you're doing. Take the time to feel on your muscles. Take the time to really enjoy your body. It's a great time to reflect on the day, be present in the moment, and prepare for the future. And practice gratitude in your shower. Your bathroom time is very precious, so use it wisely and focus on you. Love on you and relax yourself. And number 6, if you really need it, go ahead and research sleep aids. Sometimes we need a bit more than turning off the blue lights and or eating a meal early. Sometimes you need a little bit more help. And feel free to look into sleep aids if you need it. Does fasting insomnia last forever? It doesn't. Eventually your body will become used to this extra fuel, this extra mental clarity. So if you need help, go ahead and look into sleep aids. There's valerian, there's melatonin, and there's also sleepy time teas, chamomile, lavender. Whatever will help you fall asleep the best, research it. I am not recommending you go out and try anything. I'm just suggesting that sleep aids are available in store. At your local pharmacy, you'll be able to find something that works for your body and your needs. You don't have to be sleepless in Seattle. But overall, I need you to know that once you're fasting, your body will eventually become used to it. Sometimes it may take a month, sometimes it may take months. It's usually not overnight. It took me around 2 months to overcome fasting insomnia, and it wasn't every night, but I did have trouble going to sleep. So you're not alone. But hopefully these tips helped so you can get the best sleep while obtaining your best bod. I don't want you to have to give up fasting in order to sleep, but find workarounds to make it work for you. Also, be honest with yourself. Make sure that you're doing everything within your power to get good sleep and that you're not staying up late on purpose. Okay, everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this informative and to let YouTube know this is good content. Subscribe if you like to see more encouraging and informative alternate day fasting videos in the near future, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.